Learn how to attack your opponent's king in chess. Let's look at this game right quick, and we are the black pieces. First of all, our opponent does have a vulnerable king on the a1 square, and our opponent has a knight on d4, a queen on c2, a rook on c1, and a rook on the g1 square taking control of the g file. And our king isn't that safe either. It could be checked at any moment. But what is black's best move? Rook 8 takes on d4. And after rook 8 takes on d4, if pawn captures back, then notice this. Rook a3, check. King b1, rook b3, check. And if king goes back, then you can take this pawn on the d4 square, and there is checkmate in 2 moves, no matter what white does, which is amazing. So the best move for white to do in this position is just give up the queen for the rook. And this is a winning position for the black pieces, even though white is up 2 rooks because his king is so vulnerable right now. And yeah, attack like this in chess.